to change Bitmoji's gender on Snapchat. Follow these steps. First thing first, open the Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your Snapchat profile page. Here tap the settings icon. Scroll down until you find the Bitmoji option and click on it. Since the Snapchat does not allow direct gender changes, you need to delete your current Bitmoji first. Select Unlink My Bitmoji. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Remove to proceed. Your Bitmoji will now be removed, allowing you to create a new one. Furthermore, tap Create My Avatar. You will now be asked to choose a gender. Select male or female as per your preference. If the Snapchat asks for a face verification, click on the skip to bypass this step. Now it's time to design your new Bitmoji. You can customize your face shape, hairstyle, outfit and accessories. Take your time to make it look just the way you want. Once you are happy with your new avatar, hit save at the top right corner. Your new Bitmoji will be now linked to your Snapchat profile. There you go. Now you know how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat.